Everyone, let me introduce our hot-selling items named shrink wrap with different size. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. It can be print all kind of thinner steel bottle like 13-ounce thickness tumbler, colorful cola bottle, and 12-ounce tumbler, so on. Now, next, let me show you the making process. Now, once we finish the sublimation paper and put the thickness bottle into the shrink wrap, and then use the sublimation tape do like this. This shrink wrap can be used in 3D sublimation machine and the home-used oven. Now, let me show you the making process with our 3D sublimation machine.